This is Sparta!
Pa gdje ste lijepi moji, evo nastavljamo dalje sa Aleksiosom i njegovim avanturama. Vidimo tu je orao sletio, ali trenutno imamo preča posla. Šta je ovo? Interak.
Phoebe slept here again. Poor kid. No place to call home.
Pustaj, znači imamo usvojeno dijete. Problem ti pijevca. Znači moram da inventory to open. Ok. To. Escape back. To. Dobro, šta još? Open your map to find the objective. Locations. Marcos bought a new vineyard on Kefalonia is in the southern part of Mount Ainos. Mount Ainos, southern part. Znači južni dio, to je ovo ovdje. I ovo mi liči ko neki vinograd. Znači vjerovatno je tu. Ali imamo nešto ispred nas. Neke pitnike. Ićemo pravo ovim putom, pa ćemo pravo, pa ćemo ovo skrenuti. Gledajte, Aleksio sada skače ko zek. Idemo. A evo ja moram da očučam one skillove za... Znam da je u Originu bio onaj pulsifying efekt. Ovaj se moli Bogu. Mol se Bogu. Ajde evo ti majku. Kako smo... Da nismo rekli, aha. Evo. Tetis. Aha. Znaš šta roni? C. Ovo je malo korona jebe. Allah! Loot treasure. Rusty sword. No, još šta ovo? Da li se vidi? Plivaj! Aleksa, plivaj! Dobra. Trči nesreća. Plan je bio znači da odemo ovo istražimo i onda putem vamo se priključimo. Vidi. Nemo ti familije. Što ti rodiš ti? Ujebem ti je vadik. Ajde. Alo, momci. Momci, smirte. Alo, strijac. Šta ti misliš da si su versio? Aj jebena susta. Meni ako ste zasjeti. Vidiš, da sam išao ovim pravim putem, znači upao bi direkt u zasjet. Ali sam ovog nesretnika vidio kako čuči, znači on je čučao ovdje i čekao mene da ja dođem. To što sam otišao da malo istražim mapu. Eto. Jebem, Ivan. Samo
Guess
si
this is
ja.
the vineyard. Straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Dobro sam pogodio. You're close to your target. We to call Icarus. Imamo ti čurni. To je bilo u Originu isto.
There you are. Let's see what you've gotten yourself into this time, Marcos.
Znam da ja mogu neka skrivena blaga da otkrije, valjda će moći ovdje isto. Find Enigmat Ostarakle. Šta to treba da znači? Pitaj Boga. Viš, može i on da nađe. Znači da li je to Enigmat Ostarakle? Pojma, ajmo dalje. O, gospodine, kako je? Jel te plađa dobro, Markos? Kakav je ovo vanja kad je ovo masne sve, what the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Opet ću zapravo moći čuti. Aha. Imao još šta? Imao još šta? Neki treasures. Treasures, bilo kakav treasures. Penj se. Eno Markosa. Voli ti svoju majnu, moj se kolutat bola, šta ti je? Kako da čučne? Niko nije vidio. Gdje si, Marki? Makaroni! Makaronu!
Boss, I keep telling you, you can't do that.
Why? It's my farm. I can plant what I want.
The grapes will die here. All of them.
You have to forget what you know about the past, my friend. Together we will revolutionize winemaking. Believe me, you will look back on this day and... Alexios, thank the cats. Phoebe found you in time. I can still hear you. I was worried sick. The Cyclops sent his scum to find you. I think they mean you harm.
I wish you would have told me that before they hit me. But that's besides the point. You bought a vineyard, Marcos? A vineyard?
Why not? I like wine, you like wine, everybody likes wine. Everybody buys wine. Why not from me?
You don't know how to make wine, you are going to fail. You don't know how to
know
make.
how to grow grapes or make wine.
I'm a fast learner. You grow grapes on the vine, then you get some wine.
It's that simple, is it?
You know me better
Pojma
than
nema.
to think I don't have a plan. Marcos always has a plan.
All right. Then do you have the money you owe me?
Do I have the money I owe you? Of course, of course. Well, no, not at the moment.
Then get it.
Instantly, my friend, instantly. But maybe you should do that. There is a merchant in Sami. I'm not very good at these things, as you know.
You want me to collect my own debt?
It's just waiting for you in Sami, my friend.
Who's the merchant?
Thuris, you know Thuris. He's very nice.
Please! How stupid can you get? Stop giving him money.
He always pays me back.
After I threaten him,
Exactly. Everybody benefits. Thuris gets his money, I get my interest, and you have work. Kefalonia is wonderful, is it not?
how do you want to handle this one?
Not like you handled that olive oil business. That was too much.
I got the money.
And now we'll never get any more from him. If you kill them all, nobody benefits. Threatening them and maybe more. Breaking things, certainly. Steal the money if you have to. But don't rob me of my customers. Unless you can't avoid it. These things happen.
Where can I find Thuris?
In a shop in Sami overlooking the docks. You know this, Alexios.
Ne znam, zato te pitam.
You mistake me for the Pythia. I couldn't possibly know.
Ništa ti ne znaš, druže.
He'd better have my money, Marcos. I'd hate to have to sell our vineyard.
Of course he will. Oh, After there's another matter I want to discuss with you. After.
Fine, but I'm taking a horse. It's too hot and too long a walk to go on foot.
But
Think of it as interest, Marcos. Everybody benefits.
of course, my friend. You shall have your pick.
On the left.
About this one.
The Skiros. You have an eye for sturdy stock, my friend. That horse can cling to mountain passes like a god.
No.
The one in the middle. Tell me about it.
Ah, you have picked a beauty, my friend. That horse is from Thessalonia, bred for its courage.
I like the look of the one on the right.
Ah, the Macedonia. These are bred for battle, a true warrior's horse.
Makedonsko ću. I'm ready to
I've made
choose.
my choice.
Which one will it be?
That one. On the right.
Fine choice. But this particular breed has a few quirks that you might not be aware of. I wouldn't want you to take an unworthy horse.
This is the one I want.
You
Marcos.
sure? Because
I'm sure, Marcos.
everybody benefits, especially you. You've chosen the great Phobos. He's never let me down.
Phobos.
Remember, meet me at the temple in Sami when you have your money from Duris. Ah, Efterpi. There's plenty of wine left to buy. Don't fret.
Not now, you fool. Phoebe's been taken.
By who?
Thugs of the Cyclops. Who else? Snatched her right off the main road.
Tell me where they went.
In the direction of Itimena Beach.
The beach? Can she swim?
I'll get her.
Yes, go. But don't forget about dear Duris, Alexios.
Ogromno, ne brini se šta ti. Kad bi ja zaboravio na turist. Trči fobi. Obalo! Kako da pokupimo ovdje malo nešto. When times are bad, it can be easy to turn away from the gods. Go to the burned temple in Kausos village in the cursed valley of Pali. I can be found in a pile of burning ashes, where a worshipping man left his post to begin his new life as a pilot. Dobro. Znači ovo neke misterije, to je bilo i ono u Origin. Rešavaš misterije i dobijaš ove... Oh. Šarala.
You don't look so good.
I angered them, I think. The gods.
It's
That doesn't
possible.
sound good.
I hear they can be vengeful.
I used to worship Hermes at the Trovorati cave. There are gods there too, you know.
In the cave?
They grant wishes if you bring them tribute. So everyone makes an offering and asks for something in return. No wishes of mine granted though. I'm running out of money and tribute. I'm poor myself, you know. I did something wrong.
You know Hermes. He can be a trickster.
Oh, but there are many gods in this cave, all asking for different things. Go hear them yourself. You'll get my last tribute if you do. I need to know if they're real.
All right, don't worry. I'll go.
Oh, thank you. Remember, be careful where you step, Mistios. You'll be walking on holy ground.
We'll see about that.
Ne brini ti za mene. Ne brini se Lolo. Ne brini se Lolo, neće da te žulja kad te ova mrkulja zrzi. Kako da izvadim? Reanimate Dark Hunter. Eto mi je interesno. Ta. By holding. Aha. Sad sam trenutno rudar. La. Skupljam metal.
Someone dropped offerings here. Looks like they were trying to carry them away behind the statue. There's a draft here. A crack in the wall. Best stay out of sight.
Dođi. Uje. Kako se žviždi. To je moglo u prošlom.
Bandits all along. People should have known something was off. And here's all their loot.
Nadraj. What the fuck?
Ella. Come on. Hey. No gods in the caves, only bandits stealing people's hopes and Drachmi.
I knew it! Thieves!
At least you know you won't face Zeus's wrath. Maybe he'll take pity on you.
I hope Zeus bring his wrath on those bandits.
Don't worry, I brought mine. That should be good enough.
Press U to open a building.